if you want to fix a Bluetooth device not connecting properly on a Nothing Phone 3A, then here's what we can do. So first of all, we're gonna go to the settings. We're gonna choose connected devices, and of course over here you might be able to find your Bluetooth device. In my case, of course, it is working just fine, but let's pretend that it is not. So what we can do is we can go, for example, to the settings of the Bluetooth device, and we can forget the device completely. And after that, of course, we need to pair it again. So what we can do is pair new device. I'm gonna turn off and turn on my Bluetooth device. Actually, and we're gonna go back and choose connection preferences, because over here we want to go to Bluetooth, and we can turn off and turn on Bluetooth. So it is also recommended to do that before we pair our device again. So once we have Bluetooth re-enabled, we can go to pair new device. We're gonna now turn on and put our device in the pairing mode, if applicable. And of course, remember that the Bluetooth device should not be connected to anything else if you cannot use the pairing mode. You should be able to find your Bluetooth device now on this list, so we can select it and then try to pair. If that doesn't work, again, if for some reason you cannot connect, then what you can do is try to perform the hard reset of your Bluetooth device. Of course, I cannot really show you how to do this on your Bluetooth device, because every Bluetooth device has its own way to factory reset. But if factory resetting doesn't work, and this method didn't work as well, what you can also do is we can simply go back to the settings, scroll down in the settings to go to system, and then over here we want to go to reset options. And then we want to choose reset Bluetooth and Wi-Fi. Unfortunately, these two cannot be separated, so you will also reset Wi-Fi as well. You will forget all the Wi-Fi networks on your phone. But let's continue. Let's press reset, and then we have this message that we have reset Bluetooth. So let's go back to the settings. We're gonna go to connected devices, and I'm gonna actually go to connection preferences and then Bluetooth over here. And then we can go to pair new device, and you can try to connect your Bluetooth device again. Usually the reset option works just great. It solves most of the issues, and I hope it also helps you. Thanks for watching, leave a like and subscribe to my channel, and see you in my next videos. Bye!